To create a place where even the in-toilets is high-end, choose commercial cleaning robots to the dirty work. The cleaning robot has a built-in 3 cm sensor along the wall to ensure a safe distance for the robot, equipped with a sponge roller to achieve 60 times of self-cleaning per minute. This polymer sponge roller has super absorbent capacity, and stubborn stains can be wiped off quickly. The cleaning robot can automatically plan the optimal path, intelligent avoid obstacles and run stably. Equipped with intelligent app, one-click laser mapping, custom setting of cleaning area, cleaning time, area, power and other status are clear at a glance. After cleaning, it will automatically return to the smart base station for water change, charging and dust collection. The smart base station supports the connection of water pipes and floor drains without any manual cleaning, completely freeing your hands.